Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share a TikTok video directly to CapCut. So in here, I've already opened the TikTok apps, and this is, let's say, the video that I want to share into CapCut. So what you need to do is just tap on the share button, this arrows right here, and then here you'll see lots of options of the apps that you can share the TikTok video to. So if you want to share it into CapCut, you can just swipe and click on more. Click on the more button until you find the TikTok icon. This one's right here. So you can just tap on the CapCut options, CapCut button, and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.